Show some pages inside.
This side, huh?
Yeah. Show any one of you show it. Again.
Yes, that's a good bit. Absolutely.
It's been a year. Rise is tied up with Val Cucine, and today we are marking our relationship with Sub-Zero Wolf. And going forward, Rise is a company which is looking for brands all around the world which are of premium level. In this search, we are looking for a wardrobe segment of the business, which we are going to be unveiling next fiscal, the beginning of the fiscal year 2016-17. So in this one, we are right now shortlisted a few brands, but definitely in about 3-4 months we're going to be signing up with those partners. Talking about the investments in Rise as a company will be venturing into the home interior solutions. For that, a lot of research is going on from Rise company.
Rise, we are a group venture. This company was on my mind for almost 15 years now. I thought about it when I was in school, that I want to be like my father, who is a builder. And he's the MD of one of the construction companies here in Bangalore. So when I thought I want to support him in some way or the other, I had this dream of becoming an architect and designing buildings for him. So that's when I decided I wanted to do architecture and come out as a designer from an architecture school. So once I completed architecture, I thought I should specialize in some form of design. And I decided interior designing was my call. So I did my specialization in interior design from the United States. And that's where I came across an association called National Kitchen and Bath Association. National Kitchen and Bath Association in America is where we learn a lot about the detailing of kitchens and how it has to be made. So I learned a lot about how the kitchens need to be designed from that course in interior design, other interior design. And I decided I need to do something. My passion was kitchens. I wanted to do something in this field. So I came back to India as I wanted to be in India and do something here. So I came back and I joined my dad's firm. I worked with him for a couple of years, and finally I came across Val Cucine through a colleague. And when I came across Val Cucine, I decided I need to go to the factory, see the factory how it is, and then take up the brand. So I went to this factory in Pardenone. I was mind blown. First of all, for the kind of quality it provides, the kind of innovation that they have, the kind of technology that they have created. Mr. Chintarso has made something so unique, so different, and so beautiful it looks. So I felt this is what India needs. This is what it is all about. Because technology and innovation to the utmost level is what we need here. And we as people are also very refined. We look for quality, we look for finesse in our products when we are buying them. So when I went to Pardenone, the way it is made, the way they have created everything, the whole line, how it is set up, was something out of the world for me. So it was something I wanted to do, and I decided that Val Cucine is the brand that I'm going to get to India. And in 2014, we started Rise, and the first global brand that we had under Rise was Val Cucine. And it has been 1 year since we've been here in this market, and it has been a treat. It has been just amazing experience that I've had with the brand, with the people of the brand in Italy, and the market itself, because market has accepted this product so beautifully, this brand so beautifully, and it has really worked well for us.
And in 2000, Sub-Zero Group purchased Wolf. Wolf, until then, has been 8 decades in the business of cooking facilities for chefs in the industrial market. And with a special added design of Sub-Zero Group, they have brought Wolf into the retail and high-end user of cooking. And it offers precision cookings that even if you're a total layman, you're not at all trying to pretend even that you are a chef. It gives you the opportunity to make everything that you do, to have everything that you do in a perfect end finish. So these two brands, we have pioneered into India in 2009. And we came to India because we felt that India is ready to be part of the global scene of superb and uncompromising quality of living. Indians are well exposed by the sheer number of you that are traveling, studying, working overseas. And when Indians come back to India, they want to bring with them, they want to replicate the standards and the qualities of the lifestyle that they had in New York, in London, Berlin, Hong Kong. And moreover, with MasterChef up in the air, bigger houses, more entertaining around food, and the quality and the design of kitchen appliances, and of course the precision of cooking are becoming more and more relevant to the Indian market. The Indian women are more in need of having a control of her life for the sake of career, like Nivedita is a pioneer in her field. And so the more we sell Wolf's warming drawers, it's only because it's a reflection actually of Indian women going into high-end career and very demanding lifestyle.
Unfortunately, if we will keep producing and using the earth energies and materials, we should have 3 Earths in the next 50 years. So he started already with Valcucine, with the product to have its own responsibility in order to try to produce, but preserving this kind of, let me say, the earth and what is capable to give us. So he's always saying that he wanted to, since the beginning, to represent his factory as a tree. The tree is really an incredible, let me say, an incredible element in our earth that is capable to be quite independent and totally recyclable in its way, in its style. That's why he wanted to create a factory that is capable to produce, but at the same time, to preserve the consumption of oxygen and the use of materials. His aim, and we are working very hard for the next year, is to be able in the future to produce products that are capable to be totally recycled and reused at the end of their life.
And this year we are tying up with Sub-Zero Wolf, which is an American brand in appliances, which is again another global brand to our global business strategy. Introduction of Valcucine, which has happened about 1 year back, and now Sub-Zero, which both are the international alliance. So what international alliance means, these both global premium brands will come together to provide the best solutions for the kitchens in the luxury segment. That is what Rise is focusing on right now. I would want to be very precise on our entry into the home segment, in the home interior solutions. We are doing a lot of research in terms of Rise branding, Rise products in the home interior solutions. So in this field, we are doing the research at the moment. Very soon, we will be unveiling the products from the Rise interior solutions. I would want to be very clear when we are going to be doing it, and at the moment we are doing a lot of research.
Per capire un po' la filosofia di Valcucine bisogna capire un po' quella che è la filosofia del prodotto Valcucine. La filosofia del prodotto Valcucine nasce dal mio modo di fare design.
Okay, if you want to understand the difference between the different companies, you need to know the philosophy of Valcucine and even the philosophy of the product.